Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are taking up the next chapter, that is arithmetic progression. AP. This new chapter, we have completed this quadratic equations, and now the next chapter is, this carries 5 marks, and we have completed so far number system 5 marks, polynomials 5 marks, and linear equation in 2 variables 10 marks, and quadratic equation 12 marks. So far we have 32 marks we have completed. Now this AP, arithmetic progression. Now let's observe these. What is an AP? What is an arithmetic progression? Let us define arithmetic progression, but before that, let us observe the following patterns of numbers. This is 5, this is 10, this is 15, this is 20, so on. This is 2, this is 4, this is 6, this is 8, so on. This is 3, this is 5, this is 7, this is 9, so on. Now see, in these patterns 5, 10, 15, 20, this is a list of numbers, and similarly 2, 4, 6, 8, 3, 5, 7, 9. You see now, the second term, this is the first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term. This is 5 in first case, 5. Then second term is 10. That means second term differs from the first term. And similarly, it is third term is 15. That differs from the second term. And fourth term is 20. That differs from the... Now you see there is a common thing. 5, if we add this 5 plus 5, it is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. So each term, preceding term, succeeding term differs from the preceding term by a fixed number. You see 5, then it is 10, then it is 15, that is 20. This is the preceding term, and this is the succeeding term, and the succeeding term differs from the first term by a fixed number. So you see here, we see the difference is 5, 5, 5, 5. 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 5 is 20, 20 plus 5 is 25. So this is a pattern in which we see the difference is same. Here it is 5, here it is 5, here it is 5. Now see second, 2, 4, 6 and 8. 2, then it is 4, then it is 6, then it is 8. You see now, this is preceding term and this is the succeeding term. 4 is succeeding term, it differs from the first term by 2. You see 2 plus 2 is 4, and 4 plus 2 is this 6, and 6 plus 2 is this 8. So again you see the pattern, it follows a fixed rule, that is the second term differs from the first term by a fixed number. Similarly third term differs from the second term by a fixed number. Similarly fourth term differs from the third term by the same number. And now see the third pattern. This is 3, this is 5, 7, 9. Again you see 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2, 2, 2, this is same. So every term is obtained by adding the first term a particular number, a fixed number. And where this type of numbers, this type of patterns of or lists of numbers constitute a progression that is called AP. So now you can define an AP. What is an AP? Arithmetic progression. What is an arithmetic progression? Is that in which the first term is given, and the second term and every other term differs from this first term by a fixed number, and this fixed number is called a common difference. This is called a common difference. The fixed number is called a common difference, and this is denoted by D. small d. So we can define this arithmetic progression. It is a list of numbers. So let us define what is AP. AP, it is a pattern of or list of numbers in which the first term is given and in which the first term is given and the succeeding terms in which this differs from the first term, from the preceding term, by a fixed number. Or you can write, it is a pattern of numbers in which first term is given and all other terms are obtained by adding a fixed number to the first term or to the preceding term. Okay, so this is called an AP. AP is a list of numbers in which the first term is given and the succeeding term differs from the preceding term by a fixed number, and this fixed number is called what? Common difference, and this common difference is denoted by d, small d. Now the general form of this AP is A. First term is A, then it is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on. This is called an AP. Now you can observe exercise number 1 is patterns of numbers are given and you have to find whether this is an AP or not. You can do it at your places. Suppose this is a question like this. This is 3, this is 6, this is 9, this is 12, so on. You have to check whether this is an AP or not. Now see, first term is 3, now second term is 6, that means 3, this preceding term is added by some particular or fixed number, that is again 3, because we know this is 6, therefore 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. So all terms are obtained by adding the fixed this first term, or second term is obtained by adding first term a fixed number. Similarly, third term is obtained by adding the same number to the second term. Fourth term is obtained by adding the third term the same number, the fixed number. So this first term is here A is 3, and what is D? D is second term minus first term, that is 6 minus 3, this again 3. So when this follows the pattern A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so this is an AP. So you can check whether the patterns are AP or not. This is very simple questions. You can check them at your places. One more question is like this: 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. Now see, first term is 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 5, 30, so on. Yes, this is an AP. This is also an AP. You can check these. So first term is A. A is here 10. What is D? D is 15 minus 10, that is 5. D is 20 minus 15, that is 5. D is 25 minus 20, that is 5. D is 30 minus 25, that's 5. So second term minus first term 5, third term minus second term 5, fourth term minus third term 5, fifth term minus fourth term 5. So this is common difference is same. If the common difference is same throughout, this constitutes an AP. This is an AP. So this is the general form of an AP. A comma A plus D. This is common difference. First term is given. Then this first term is added by the fixed number, that is D. So A plus D is second term. A plus 2D is third term. A plus 3D is fourth term. And an, if you are asked to find the nth term, this is given by A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D. This is so simple. Now if you are given that A is equal to 5 and D is equal to 3 and n is equivalent to 10. Now you can form an AP. You can form an AP. Now A is given here, A is equal to 5. D is also given, it is 3. Now what is the first term? Let's write down here first term. A, second term is A plus D, third term is A plus 2D, fourth term is A plus 3D, so on. Now you can form an AP like this. A is given, what is A? A is 5, comma, A plus D, that is 5 plus D is 3, comma, A is 5 plus 2 into D, what is D here? It is 3, comma, A is 5 plus 3 into D, what is D here? It is again 3. Okay, this is 5. This is second term is 8. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 5 is 11. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 5 is 14. Yes, this is an AP. 5, 8, 11, 14. So the common difference is 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. So this is an AP. This is how you can form an AP if you have, if this first term is given, D is given, N is given. Now proceeding further, exercise number 1, you will try all these questions at your places. You have to find the common difference. You know third term minus second term is common difference, fourth term minus third term is common difference, or second term minus first term, that is D. And you can try all these questions, very simple. Now the second exercise is like this. A is equal to 7. A is equal to 7. What is D? D is equal to 3 and N is equal to 8. You have to find AN. And you know AN is equivalent to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN, so AN is equal to A is 7, yes, plus N is here 8, minus 1 into D is 3. So this is 7 plus 7 into 3. This is 7 plus 7, 3 is 21, this is 28. This is the answer. So AN is equal to 28. Similarly, if any one of the terms, A is given, D is given, N was given, you have to find AN. Similarly, in some cases you have to find AN is given, N is given, you have to find D. And in some cases you have to find A. And the formula is same. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Because first term is A, second term is A plus D. Fifth term is A plus 4D. Sixth term is A plus 5D. 10th term is A plus 9D. 20th term is A plus 19D. 50th term is A plus 49D. 100th term is A plus 99D, so on. Similarly, nth term is A plus N minus 1 into D. So now second part is A is equal to minus 18. Now here D, this is to be find. D is, you don't know what is D. And N is equivalent to 10. AN is equal to 0. Now applying same formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. For an we have here 0. 0 is equal to a, what is a? Is minus 18 plus n, n is 10 minus 1 into d, what is d? D is d. We don't know what is d. So this is 0 is equal to minus 18 plus 9d. Now shifting this 18 towards, we can write here 9d minus 18 is equal to 0, or 9d is equal to 18. What is d? D is equal to 18 by 9. 9 ones are, 9 twos are. So d is equal to 2. Simple. Similarly, this is an AP here. Question number 2. 10, 7, 4, so on. This is an AP. And you have to find the 30th term. 30th term is a plus 29d. So here a is equal to 10. What is d? Second term minus first term. That is 7 minus 10. This is minus 3. Now you have to find a 30th term. That is a plus 29d. Simple. What is a here? It is 10 plus 29 into d is minus 3. So this is 10 minus 3 nines are 27. 3 twos are 87. 87, that's minus 77. Minus 77 is the 30th term. So a30 is a plus 29d. So this is simple. Similarly, you can attempt all these questions. Now, question number 3 is okay, question number 3 is 2, then second term we don't know, then third term is 26. Now what is given here? This is first term, a is given, second term is a plus d, we don't know what is this, and third term is a plus 2d, a plus 2d is equal to 26. Now here a is equal to 2, what is given? A plus, this is third term, so a plus 2d is equal to 26. So you can write here a is 2 plus 2d is equal to 26. You can write here 2d is equal to 26 minus 2. What is 2d? It is 24. What is d? It is 24. 24 by 2, 2 12s are, so d is equal to 12. Now d is 12. Now you have to find the second term. A is 2 and d is 12. 2 plus 12 is 14, obviously. So this is 14. Similarly, third part is so third part is like this. This is first term is not given, and then it is 13. This is second term. Then third term is also not given. Then fourth term is 3. So here we see what is given. This is first term a not given. A plus d is given. Second term is given. Third term a plus 2d is not given. A plus 3d is given. So a plus d is 13, then a plus 3d, a plus 3d is equivalent to 3. Now we have got two equations, linear equations in two variables, and you can solve them. Subtracting we get, this is minus, this is minus, this is minus, a and a will go get cancelled. Minus 3d plus d, this is minus 2d is equal to 10, 13 minus 3, this is 10. So what is d? D is equal to minus 10 by 2, 2 5s are. So d is equal to minus 5. Now putting the value of d in equation first, a plus d is equal to 13. For a, we write a plus d, d is minus 5 is equal to 13. So a is equal to 13 minus 5. You are going to shift this towards right hand side. So this will become plus a is equal to 18. Now here first term is 18. Second term is 13. Now what is third term? This is to be determined. A plus 2d. A is 18 plus 2 into minus 5. So 18 minus 10, that is 8. So third term is 8. This is how it goes. And rest of the questions, you can try all these questions at your places. Inshallah, tomorrow we shall take up further questions in this AP. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Nasir.